Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 sentences about if I were a bird. Number 1. I wish I were a bird. Number 2. Flying would be amazing. Number 3. I could touch the clouds. Number 4. Clouds should be my playground. Number 5. I would explore hidden places. Number 6. Finding food would be a thrilling spree. Number 7. No traffic jams or worries to bear. Number 8. Flying would make me feel free. Number 9. I would sing sweet song to greet each new day. Number 10. Raindrops would be my joyful and refreshing shower. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.